Oh! What's over? No, nothing over here. B. Okay, there's some people measuring crystals, scientists, and the crystal machines going well. And there's flying machines and dragonfly helicopters and whale planes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, the thing's back. Is that the thing they took at the beginning? I don't know. Oh, oh, what's happening? And then Ku look. Oh, I got the achievement Ring of Power. Ooh. And then I look at the whirly birds. Whirly birds. Oh, loading screen. Oh, we're back at the village. Oh no, the village is on fire. Oh no, not the village. But I'm the only non-arsehole in the village. Oh no. Oh, that's like the edge of the abyss. I was about trying to roll off it. Not a smart decision. The sun's shining on my screen and the amount of like dust on it. I really need to give it my computer a good clean. Oh. It's the green bugs. Keeper. Village is clear. We should report back. Don't you dare report back. Because I'm going to go slice, 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 slice. Slice, 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 slice. You fucker with your swords. 2 swords. That's just too much. Too much. Uh-huh. Oh, this is where I did the little race. I ran around without rolling. Slice, slice, slice. Hey, what? Oh. Well, that's unpleasant. Let's try that again. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, here we go, here we go. That's 2 dead. 2. Oh, that took a toll on my health. That took out a lot. Oh, this is where the butterfly catcher was. Okay, well that happened. Something strange is going on. And it's up to me to get to the bottom of it. Where is the boy? What boy? The little hound. We warned him, but we went unheeded, and now you sit in the ruination of his actions. Have in the ruination his actions have caused, and deny him. Deny? You are the ones who have denied our people the right to live. How can you justify such a massacre in the name of a god? Praise to the Morrigan. Our sacred mission compels us to protect the gifts of the past from all blasphemous uses such as your village, concealed in sacrilege. We sought only to live. I suppose you have a better use for power than to serve the everyday people of the world. You have been tricked by her. Her power and greed will destroy everything, even the very gifts you claim to protect. Silence. I have no more time for your heresy, and this world has no more shelter to offer the ignorant lower class, who, like you. No! The threat has been eliminated. Let us leave this place of sacrilege and begin our preparations to reclaim the technology. Where do they go in those fucking ropes? Well, they're a bunch of pricks, aren't they? Nice little village. Oh! Oh, this is going to be unpleasant. Yep. Well, shit. Oh, we're gonna have to go through this again. Oh, boo boo. Yes, yes, fly away. Fly away, little fuckers. Fly away, you fucks. Well, I slice you and dice you and give not a fuck. 'Cause fuck round you fuck. And I got some health, as it was sorely needed. Um, Along with wealth? I don't know. Cool. My boy, you have returned. Such power in your eyes. You have changed much. But I fear it is too late now. Certainly too late for me. Too late for this village. You did all you could, Ku, and it was nothing more than anyone else was able to achieve. And it was more than anyone else. Sorry, that was the wrong thing entirely. You will set the wrongs of the keepers to rights in time, my child, when you have grown into a true warrior. Remember when I told you that we were alone, knowing little of the outside world? It wasn't entirely true. There are others like me, tasked with hiding the ancient power from those who would abuse it. You must journey to Alba, to the Shadow Master Skavok, they call her. She will know what to do. Get on the airboat, Ku. It knows the way. It will take you there. Go strong, Ku. Grow strong and avenge us. Ugh. That was timed very well. Let's see if there's anything else around here. Let's see if there's any survivors. That'd be nice. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hello? Anybody alive here? No, no, they dead. They dead. They very dead. Rolling back. Oh, fire. That could have ended our journey quite abruptly. Do, do, do. We're going to Alba. We're going to Scotland. To be continued. What does that mean? Is that the end of the game? Hmm. That's... Uh-huh. Okay, it was a very nice game. I loved the parallels of Celtic and Irish mythology, and the art style was wonderful. It's nice to see Irish legends hitting mainstream and, you know, making their own way. As well as the names and some of the places and stories referred to. It's great, it really is. The music was gorgeous, as it chimes in here. The art style was fantastic. But the controls, ooh, DIT. My friends go to DIT. Whoa, DIT. Um, shit. The problem is the controls were difficult to handle at the best of times. So it was difficult to control. And if that's the end, that was a very abrupt ending to a short game. We played, this may be, let's say we played 10. I haven't edited it together, so I don't know yet. Let's say we played 10 episodes. That's not 10 episodes of 10 to 12 minutes apiece. That's, let's say at best, an hour. Let's say at best 2 hours, including what I cut out by the Black. Well, it's too short. It's too short, and you know, it's a bit annoying. But for a first-time game from an indie company, or an Irish-based indie company, that's really, really impressive. They could have tried harder and done more, but not bad, guys. Like, not bad. All in all, not bad. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for joining me on this little foray into Irish culture and Irish pasta future. It's where you travel through time and eat pasta. Pasta future. For Seachtain na Gaeilge. I'm sorry we didn't play it in Irish, but we'd have had no idea what was going on. For example, Irish. See, I'd have gotten new from Nua. Yeah, that's not. Oh no, whoa, yeah. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name's JpachoD, and guess what? We finally finished the game.